In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively remove a header content block from your Mailchimp email campaign while ensuring your design remains polished and professional. Whether you're a seasoned email marketer or just getting started with Mailchimp, optimizing your campaign layout is crucial to maintaining a clean and engaging design. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, head over to your Mailchimp account and open up the email campaign editor. This is the central hub where you craft and perfect your email content. Once inside the editor, you'll be greeted with a visual layout of your email campaign where each element is placed for easy modification. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the design and locate the header content block that you've decided to remove. The header is often the first thing your audience sees, so making sure it aligns with your campaign's goals is important, but if you've realized it's unnecessary or perhaps misleading, it's best to remove it altogether. Now, having identified the specific header block, you'll need to click on it to select it. You should notice outlines or controls appearing around the block, indicating it's active and ready for manipulation. This selection process helps ensure you're only modifying the intended part of your email and not any other sections by mistake. Be sure to confirm it's the correct section before proceeding to avoid unnecessary edits. With the header block selected, your next step is to locate the trash or delete icon, often resembling a small trash bin or X symbol, which represents removal tools. This feature is usually integrated into the editor's interface for your convenience. A simple click on this icon will initiate the removal process. Mailchimp will typically prompt you to confirm this action, asking if you're sure you want to permanently delete the header. This step helps prevent accidental deletions, so if you're certain, go ahead and confirm. After you've removed the header block, it's time to assess how its absence affects the rest of your email's layout. Sometimes removal can leave unsightly gaps or disrupt the balance of your design. Therefore, you'll want to make any necessary adjustments to fill that newfound space, ensuring your email remains cohesive